Well, these days it doesn't really matter whether it's spider veins or cellulite or saggy skin, unwanted fat. It just hardly matters what we're talking about here. There's a way to take care of that, and in most cases, the vast majority, non-surgically. America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess, is back here on San Diego Living this morning to talk about one of the latest, greatest things that's going on, this venous freeze that everybody, including all the celebs up in Hollywood, are talking about. That's right. We now have an LA office, and so I'm seeing a lot of the celebrities definitely around the awards time. And of course, you know, when you're high profile, you always have to look good, and not just on the face, but the whole body. And so we're definitely treating a lot of celebs. And you know, there are some surgical techniques that are being advanced all the time that are wonderful and proven, and you do some of that as well. But the non-surgical is what's really just exploding right now. Absolutely. You know, we talked about the time machine, which is really a non-surgical overall rejuvenation for the face and neck, but the same thing is happening on the body, and I'm so happy to be a pioneer in a lot of these non-surgical revolution, really, because most people really, if they know that they have an option to not go under the knife, do it, you know, so it's affordable, but also get results, that's the option they're going to choose. And even celebrities, they don't want to look unnatural, change the way they look. Many of them really just want to maintain their natural beauty, preserve it. And keep it tuned up. And keep it tuned up. Well, let's talk about Sophie Summer here. Yes. You know, sometimes we like to protect celebrities' privacy, and other times
she's totally open.
They're right out there open, saying, hey, this is what I'm doing. Exactly. We love America's Sophie. Top model winner, what, a season or two back here? Cycle 18, yes, a season or two before, and she is wonderful. And she came to our Glendale office, and she said, oh my God, I just flew in from London, but I need to go to this Oscar event. Let's get me ready. And so we did, there's me treating Sophie's face, and we got her face and body ready. So what is the venous freeze? It is basically non-surgical radiofrequency magnetic energy. It is creating, plumping the skin, and for Sophie, it really got rid of that tired look. She loved it, and also it lifted everything up and made everything just look wonderful. So she's ready for red carpet, because when you're America's Next Top Model, you know, everyone expects you to be perfect, but no one is perfect, even Sophie. And there's high expectations, like you say. Exactly. Well, whatever your expectations are, folks, you come see Dr. Tess and talk about it. That's really the key. And you know, like I said, head to toe, nowadays, everything we can help, you know. My book, California Total Beauty, really address all the individual problems that patients, and it's all about confidence. We've talked about this before. Absolutely. Even the top models need that. You know, it's really exuding confidence, living our best lives, looking our very best. A lot of my patients say when they look good, they really feel good. When they look young, they feel young, they act young, so we're living the best lives. So California Total Beauty is the book, and folks can pick that up at CaliforniaTotalBeauty.com. Yes. It's also at Amazon, and it'll kind of run through a lot of the stuff that we just couldn't possibly run through in the amount of time that we have. Exactly. Tickle Lipo, I got to touch on that too, because that's another really hot topic right now. Well, if you want to, I have a patient who went from a size 12 to a size 6 in 4 weeks. If you want to do something like that, or you've been exercising and you really want to get into the swimsuit of your dreams or the dress of your dreams, and you can't. And a lot of people after the age of 40 and 50, when menopause hits, like this patient, she's like, you know, she can't think of anything else to do. Tickle Lipo is so safe. We do it under local anesthesia. This is a minor surgery, but you can see the after is 1 month. And this man, it's not only for women. This man, that after is less than 24 hours after we did Tickle Lipo. It's transformed his life. His married life, his wife is a lot nicer to him. Well, and I was caressing him now, this guy can go work out now and know that when he develops his muscles, you're going to be able to see him because they're not buried under a layer of fat. Perfect. That is really the truth. A lot of the patients who undergo Tickle Lipo are really encouraged to take care of themselves. Now they're seeing results of their workout. They're not feeling discouraged. They become healthier and obviously more confident. And I've had lipo, and I told you that, Mark, before. Yeah, I know. 2 years ago on my saddlebags, which is kind of a genetic thing that I couldn't get rid of. And it's the best thing I've ever done. Well, look, folks, come in and see Dr. Tess. And 4 locations here in San Diego, 1 up in Glendale now. I know. And before I let you go, here, hold the magazine up there here. And when we come back on camera, you're in New Beauty magazine. Right. This is the current edition of New Beauty. And check out my I have a 2-page expert profile and talking about, you know, the time machine, non-surgical transformation, the book, and my philosophy, and, you know, come support us, and I'd love to see you guys in our clinic, and we have 4 locations. We're close wherever you are, and we can get your body and your face ready.
Beautiful.
To live your life the best.
The way that you want
possible.
to. Dr. Tess, great to see you as always, and thanks for coming in. All right, don't forget, folks, you go to sandiego6.com and you'll find more there. Click on San Diego Living and we'll hook you up with Dr. Tess.